If I woke up with this face posture tomorrow, tight jaw, forward head, and that drag down look, I'll start with this one move. Most people don't realize that their tongue is one of the strongest and most overworked muscle in the body. When it is tense or glued to the floor of your mouth, it shortens everything below your chin, pulling your jawline, your neck, and even your posture down. You see how I even sound different? The tension doesn't stop there. It travels through your fascia into your chest, into your shoulders, tightening your breath and making your entire face look heavier. I'm Parmita, your self-image and face yoga coach. And today I'll show you how tongue stretching restores your natural lift, improves your posture, and even calms your nervous system, all in just a few minutes. Fun fact, your tongue isn't an isolated muscle. It is a part of deep fascial chain that runs from the base of your tongue through your throat, into your sternum, and further down. When this chain tightens and shortens, it is like pulling a string that drags your face downward. That's why tension in here leads to double chin, forward head posture, and that tired, compressed look. Releasing this area resets how your entire upper body holds itself. And that is the true foundation of a youthful lift. So your first move is the tongue pull move. This 10-second move can release years of hidden tension in your jaw and neck. Grip the tip of your tongue with a napkin or a tissue and gently pull it straight out for about 5 seconds while breathing through your nose. You'll start to feel a deep stretch under your chin and into your throat. Do this for about 3 to 4 times and it is enough to instantly relax your jawline and elongate your neck. When you release tongue tension, you activate your vagus nerve, lowering stress and slowing your heart rate. That's why so many ancient breathwork and chanting practices involve tongue positioning. It is not random. It is neurological beauty therapy. And now for move number 2. Tilt your neck to the right and use your right hand to extend that stretch a little deeper. Now at the same time, drop your tongue out and stretch it as far as you comfortably can, letting it drop sideways. Comment below if you can feel that stretch open up the tight muscles from all the way under your chin to the side of your neck. You'll feel it on both sides as you go from one side to another. So here's why this matters. Your tongue isn't just a muscle. It's an ancient yogic and Ayurvedic wisdom. It is the bridge between your inner and outer world. When you train your tongue, you're not just toning a muscle, you're reprogramming your nervous system, your posture, your facial symmetry, and even your vitality. It is one muscle that connects your breath, digestion, and expressions. You'll start to notice that your spine aligns, your breath deepens, and your face lifts, all through one small shift. And here's what most people miss. Your tongue shapes the way you sound. A compressed, tense tongue makes your voice sound tight, strained, even anxious. But a relaxed, tension-free tongue opens your tone. It makes you sound grounded, confident, and magnetic. So train your tongue and you will not just lift your face, you will elevate your presence. A lifted tongue means a lifted face. When your tongue rests low, it pulls your lower face down and it widens your jawline over time. But when it rests up on the palate, it supports your mid-face, your cheek structure from the inside. Here's how you do it. The tip of your tongue should be right behind the top teeth, but not pointed. Flatten it out. This alone can redefine your jawline over time and keep that triangle of youth intact. For those of you who are subscribed to my channel, you would have definitely seen this video. It's all about learning how to mew because this tongue resting position is called mewing. If you want to learn more about mewing, make sure you watch this video and this and this. There are quite a few videos that I could recommend that will completely transform your face. I think you should just check out my face yoga playlist. And in case you're new to my channel, start by clicking that subscribe button and start practicing these moves today. And when you start to notice real changes in your posture, in your symmetry, in your voice, in your confidence, in your breath, in your jawline, let me know in the comments. And also, if you want part 2, you can also work with me one-on-one. Click on the form below in the description, fill it out and send it to me. My team will schedule a complimentary call to see if you're the right fit for one-on-one face yoga. and self-image coaching. I can only work personally with a handful of clients, but you also have some amazing online options available on my website, parmitakatkar.com. If you've been watching my videos, you already know the power of my 21-day face yoga program, because 21 days is all it takes for you to start seeing visible transformations when your workouts are structured daily, just for 7 to 10 minutes. You'll be able to get bonus skincare and habit building tips that make this journey irresistible if you're ready to reverse aging naturally. No Botox, no fillers, no expensive facials needed. Prioritize your self-care. Keep training your face and confidence daily. And remember, how you age is in your hands. Or should I say, also in your tongue. Become a supporting member of this channel and continue to learn, grow, and age with power, grace, and purpose. I'll see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.